Hey there, fellow adventurers. If you're like me, then you know that camping is one of the best ways to get away from it all and reconnect with nature. But let's face it, camping can be a little uncomfortable sometimes, right? Well, today I've got something that's going to change the way you experience the great outdoors. Oh, and if you love outdoor gear as much as I do, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. And just so you don't have to waste any time searching for these awesome products later, I've added all the links in the description below. You'll be able to grab them in just a few clicks. Number 25, the Outpost Vehicle-Mounted Hammock Stand. Imagine this. You're on a road trip, you've just found the perfect camping spot, and there's not a tree in sight to hang your hammock? What do? You pull out the Outpost Vehicle-Mounted Hammock Stand, of course. This nifty piece of gear lets you hang your hammock from your car, truck, or SUV, giving you the freedom to relax wherever you are. It's surprisingly lightweight and compact, so you won't have to worry about it taking up too much space in your gear. The stand is fully adjustable, meaning it can work with almost any vehicle in any terrain. And if you're with friends, no problem. You can attach multiple stands to your car for a group hammock session. Whether you're in a secluded forest or at a music festival, this $499 game changer ensures that you'll always have a perfect place to chill. No trees? No problem. Number 24, Beamwalk T3 Light Integrated Trekking Poles. Let's face it, trekking poles are a must-have when you're hiking through rough terrain. But what if those poles could do more than just help you balance? Enter the Beamwalk T3 Light Integrated Trekking Poles. These aren't your average poles. They've got 360-degree LED lighting built right in. Each pole has dual-color LEDs and removable battery packs, giving you up to 30 hours of light. Perfect for when you're trekking through dimly lit trails, or even when you need some hands-free light for your campsite. These poles are USB rechargeable, making it easier than ever to stay powered up. At just $67.69, they'll light your way while offering the support you need on your hikes. Talk about smart design. Number 23, One by Mars Glamping Kit. Now this one is for the true glampers out there. If you've ever thought, why can't camping feel more like a five-star hotel? Then the One by Mars Glamping Kit is the answer. This all-in-one setup is more than just a cooking kit, it's a game changer. Imagine having a portable infrared heater, a full kitchen setup, and ambient lighting, all packed into one sleek system. The best part? It has Red X infrared radiators that make cooking a breeze. Whether you're boiling water for coffee or grilling up steaks. Need to keep your gear organized while you're biking, skiing, or camping. The Evo Cleat system lets you switch between activities effortlessly. At $590, this portable luxury kit brings the comforts of home to the great outdoors. Perfect for those who don't want to rough it, but still want the adventure. Number 22, Exo Gear Hitch System. Imagine this. You're packing up for a camping trip and you realize you need more space for all your gear. Well, that's where the Exo Gear Hitch System comes in. It's a hitch-mounted system that can hold all your outdoor equipment, from bikes to skis to camping gear. The beauty of this system lies in its swing feature. You can easily access your trunk without unloading everything, which makes packing up and getting to your campsite a breeze. And when you're done, it folds away neatly, keeping everything organized and compact. At $590, it's the kind of gadget that makes your outdoor adventures smoother and more convenient. Because let's be honest, the less you have to think about the gear, the more you can focus on the fun. Number 21, Good Times Collapsible Toolbox. Next up, let's talk about the Good Times Collapsible Toolbox, a brilliant mix of practicality and versatility. This is more than just a toolbox, it's a space-saving wonder. With a super fast folding system, you can expand it when you need it and collapse it when you don't, keeping it compact and organized. Need a table while you cook? The top panel doubles as a coffee table or camping table, and with a translucent design, you'll always know exactly where your tools are without having to rummage through your gear. At just $48, this is one toolbox you'll actually look forward to using. Number 20, GSI Bugaboo Base Camper Cook Set. Cooking on a camping trip can be tricky, especially when you're trying to pack light. But the GSI Bugaboo Base Camper Cook Set is here to make your life easier. with a non-stick coating and an impressive volume-to-weight ratio. This cook set is designed to feed a group without taking up all your packing space. It comes with pots, pans, plates, and mugs, all compact and easy to clean. Whether you're boiling water for a warm drink or cooking up a full meal, this set is versatile and easy to maintain in the field. At $69, it's perfect for anyone who enjoys cooking in the great outdoors. Number 19, Nemo Topin Camping Chair. Camping chairs are usually a pain in the back, but not this one. The Nemo Topin chair is what happens when you put comfort and innovation together. It's part recliner, part rocker, and all around comfortable. Unlike most folding chairs, this one features a mesh body suspended above an aluminum frame, allowing you to recline or rock back and forth with ease. The sturdy construction, comfortable padding, and even a cup holder make this chair a must-have for anyone who values comfort in the outdoors. It's not just a chair, it's your campsite lounge chair. For $120, it's worth every penny for a more relaxed camping experience. Number 18, Goal Zero Lighthouse 600 Lantern. When the sun goes down, you need a reliable light source. And that's where the Goal Zero Lighthouse 600 Lantern shines. This 600 lumen lantern is bright enough to light up your entire campsite or provide a soft glow for the evening. But the best part? You have 3 charging options: USB, solar, or even a hand crank for emergencies. That means no matter where you are, you'll always have a light source. It's compact, portable, and durable, making it the perfect camping companion. For just $69, you'll never have to worry about darkness again. Number 17, CKI Portable Power Station. If you've ever been caught in the wild without power, you know the struggle. That's why we're obsessed with the CKI Portable Power Station. This little powerhouse can charge just about anything, from phones to laptops to drones, with 9 versatile ports including AC, DC, USB, and PD charging. Its 2,000 charge cycles ensure that this power station will last for years. Plus, it recharges in just 3 hours. At $129, this portable power bank will be the unsung hero of your camping trip, keeping all your gadgets powered up no matter where you are. Number 16, Strider Ratchet Straps. Let's talk about something that's often overlooked: securing your gear. The Strider Ratchet Straps are a game changer. Gone are the days of tangled straps and messes. With a retractable storage system, these straps make it easy to keep things neat and tidy. They're designed to handle a 500-pound working load and have an impressive 1,500-pound brake strength, perfect for securing your gear no matter how heavy or bulky it is. The system comes in different models for all kinds of outdoor needs, and with their durability, you'll be using these for years. For $25, it's a simple yet essential tool for every camper and traveler. Number 15, Allison's Electric Utility Wagon. Hauling your gear up a trail just got a whole lot easier with Allison's Electric Utility Wagon. With electric power-assisted all-terrain wheels and powerful motors, this wagon makes carrying gear up steep inclines or through rough terrain feel like a walk in the park. You can carry over 150 pounds of gear, and the electric assist means you won't be left sweating by the end of the trail. Whether you're hauling firewood, a cooler, or a tent, this utility wagon makes sure you're not breaking your back on the journey. For $390, it's worth the investment for anyone who plans to carry heavy loads. Number 14, Jetboil Flash Camping Stove. Hot drinks on demand without the wait. The Jetboil Flash Camping Stove is a game-changing stove that lets you boil water in under 2 minutes. It's compact, lightweight, and packs a powerful punch with its flux ring technology that ensures even heat distribution. Whether you're brewing coffee, making oatmeal, or preparing soup, this stove is perfect for fast, efficient cooking. It's a must-have for anyone who loves a hot drink or meal on the go. At $99, it's the perfect addition to any camping kit. Number 13, Chills Pro Portable Mist Fan and Bluetooth Speaker. Hot summer days, no problem. Introducing the Chills Pro Portable Mist Fan and Bluetooth Speaker, the ultimate gadget to keep you cool and entertained while camping. Imagine being able to drop the temperature by 10 degrees in minutes with just a press of a button. The misting feature helps cool the air around you, while the built-in Bluetooth speaker lets you play your favorite tunes, setting the perfect atmosphere for a relaxed camp evening. It also has a 20,000 mAh battery, so you can charge your devices while you enjoy the breeze. All in one, this fan cools, plays music, and lights up your campsite with its ambient lantern. For $150, this gadget turns your camping trip into a chill-out session under the stars. Number 12, Nomad Charcoal Grill and Smoker. Looking to elevate your outdoor cooking game? The Nomad Charcoal Grill and Smoker is not your average camping grill. This beauty is designed for performance, combining portability and functionality into one sleek package. It features two heavy-duty die-cast cook boxes that provide ample space for grilling, smoking, and even slow cooking your favorite meats. The cast aluminum construction ensures durability, and with 425 square inches of cooking space, you can cook up a feast for your group. Whether you're grilling steaks, smoking ribs, or cooking veggies, this grill does it all. At $649, the Nomad is an investment that will pay off with every perfectly cooked meal in the wilderness. Number 11, Magware Magnetic Camping Utensil Set. Camping doesn't have to mean using cheap, flimsy utensils. Enter the Magware Magnetic Camping Utensil Set. If you've ever had to dig through a bag of loose camping utensils, you'll appreciate this design. The magnetic system keeps everything neatly attached, so you never have to worry about losing pieces. Made from durable aluminum, these utensils are lightweight, strong, and easy to clean. The eco-friendly design means you're reducing plastic waste while enjoying your outdoor meals. This set is compact, easy to store, and perfect for both camping and everyday use. For just $35, you can upgrade your outdoor dining experience with this sleek, sustainable utensil set. Number 10, Woobin X3 EDC Flashlight. Ever wish your flashlight could do more than just shine light? The Woobin X3 EDC flashlight is not your average flashlight. This little powerhouse can transform into a lantern thanks to its 180-degree rotating head. It's magnetic, which means you can stick it to metal surfaces while you work, and it also has wireless charging for ultimate convenience. The best part? It has a 30-day battery life, and that's without even using the charging box. It also doubles as a power bank, so you can charge your phone or other devices while you explore the great outdoors. At $45, this multifunctional flashlight will light up your adventure in more ways than one. Number 9, Airot Tent with Smart Inflation System. Setting up camp doesn't have to be a struggle. With the Airot Tent, inflating your shelter is as easy as pressing a button. Thanks to its smart inflation system, this tent inflates in just a few minutes, and when you're done, it deflates in 3 seconds. No more fumbling with poles or dealing with tangled ropes, just one button and you're ready to camp. This spacious, spherical design comfortably fits up to 8 people, and with features like large windows, a PVC skylight, and 3-sided canopy, you'll enjoy maximum ventilation and the best view of the outdoors. This $400 tent is the ultimate luxury camping experience, offering quick setup and ample space for your next group adventure. Number 8, Battery-Operated Portable Spit Roaster. If you're a fan of cooking meat over the fire, the battery-operated portable spit roaster will completely change the game. This device can cook up to 8 kilos of meat, perfect for a feast with your friends or family. With its patented counter-lever design and adjustable skewer height, you can control the heat and cook everything to perfection. The best part? The motor runs for up to 30 hours on just 2 batteries, so you don't have to worry about losing power halfway through your roast. Plus, it's made of 304 food-grade stainless steel, so it's not only easy to clean, but durable for years to come. Starting at just $250, it's the perfect tool for anyone who loves to cook outdoors with style. Number 7, Climate Clima Loft Sleeping Pad. Sleeping on the ground doesn't have to mean sacrificing comfort, especially with the Climate Clima Loft Sleeping Pad. This innovative pad uses a hybrid design, combining foam and air chambers to create the perfect balance of comfort and portability. The foam topper offers a soft surface while reducing sliding in your sleeping bag, and underneath, the air chambers lift you off the cold ground, giving you better insulation and stability. It's designed for 3-season use, so you can take it on most camping trips without worrying about the cold. For just $110, you'll have a sleeping pad that'll keep you comfortable, whether you're camping in summer or spring. Number 6, Joule Electric Kettle and Popcorn Maker. If you're tired of juggling multiple cooking gadgets while camping, The Joule electric kettle might be the only tool you'll need. This versatile device boils water quickly, but it's also perfect for cooking stews or preparing hot pot meals. What really sets it apart, though, is the popcorn function. Just set the temperature, and you can make perfect popcorn in minutes. Its compact size and 500 W's output mean you won't waste precious camp space or energy. Whether you're brewing hot drinks or cooking a full meal, this $90 kettle is ready to help you make the most of your camping trip. Number 5. Tree Tent Hammock for 3. Looking for a more elevated camping experience? The Tree Tent Hammock is the perfect solution. This innovative design lets you sleep suspended off the ground, away from bugs, damp soil, and uneven surfaces. It's big enough to fit 3 adults or 2 adults and kids, and with its waterproof rainfly, you'll stay dry no matter the weather. The setup takes just 15 minutes, and the hammock is made with heavy-duty straps and ratchet buckles, ensuring you'll be securely suspended all night. At $299, this tree tent gives you a comfortable, bug-free, and elevated camping experience. Number 4. Jetboil Flash Camping Stove. Time is precious when you're camping, especially in the morning when you need that first cup of coffee. The Jetboil Flash Camping Stove boils water in just 2 minutes with its flux ring technology. Compact, lightweight, and super efficient, it's perfect for brewing coffee, making tea, or cooking a quick meal. The all-in-one system ensures you're not carrying extra gear. Just boil and go. For only $99, you can have a stove that gets you through your camping trip with ease, speed, and reliability. Number 3. Goal Zero Lighthouse 600 Lantern. When the sun goes down, lighting becomes crucial, and the Goal Zero Lighthouse 600 Lantern has you covered. With up to 600 lumens of brightness, it can light up your entire campsite. But it doesn't stop there. The beauty of this lantern is its versatility. Solar-powered, USB rechargeable, and it even has a hand crank for emergencies. The 3 charging options make it perfect for any situation, whether you're out in the wild or at a campsite with limited access to power. It also folds down to a compact size for easy storage, making it perfect for backpackers. For just $69, you'll have reliable light no matter where you are. Number 2. Seiki Portable Power Station. Running low on battery while exploring the great outdoors? The Seiki Portable Power Station is the ultimate solution for all your power needs. With a durable LiFePO4 battery that offers up to 2,000 charge cycles, this power station can charge everything from your phone to your laptop, or even run small appliances. The pure sine wave inverter ensures stable power delivery to sensitive electronics, and with 9 charging ports, AC, DC, USB, PD, you'll have the flexibility to charge multiple devices at once. It even comes with quick recharge technology, so you'll be back to full power in no time. At $179, it's an essential tool for any off-grid adventure. Number 1. Yaka Exosystem Hitch-Mounted Adventure Gear. Finally, the Yaka Exosystem is the game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts who need a versatile, convenient, and durable system for managing gear. The hitch-mounted design allows you to access all your gear in seconds, whether it's for skiing, biking, or camping. With its swing feature, you can easily access your vehicle's trunk without removing any equipment. The modular design adapts to your ever-changing needs, and when you're not using it, it folds away neatly to keep everything organized and compact. Whether you're in the wilderness or on the go, this system keeps your gear safe, secure, and easily accessible. At $590, the Yaka Exo offers unmatched versatility and convenience for the modern adventurer. And there you have it, folks. Those were 25 insanely cool camping gadgets you can find on Amazon right now. Whether you're an experienced camper or just getting started, I hope this list gave you some fresh ideas for making your outdoor adventures a lot more enjoyable and comfortable. But hey, don't stop here. If you found some gear you absolutely need to add to your collection, be sure to check out the links in the description. They're all there waiting for you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button to let us know you're loving the content. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more awesome outdoor gear reviews, tips, and hacks. Also, if you have any favorite gadgets of your own that weren't on the list, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing about new gear and maybe even discovering something else to add to my next camping trip. Until next time, keep exploring. Keep adventuring and stay wild. See you on the next one. See you on the next one. See you on the